UWE Economics is all about connecting your studies to the real world. Firstly, we help you find out what are the questions that you're interested in answering. So what kind of economist do you want to become?
So by studying economics at UWE, students can expect to receive some highly technical training from a mathematical perspective, but also from a deeply analytical perspective as well. So you'll be trained to be problem solvers, which is something which employers desperately want. So here at UWE, you can expect to be given relevant training. You'll expect to graduate with excellent employment opportunities.
Within the curriculum, there is a practice-led aspect, which allows students to understand real-world problems and find solutions.
This can be done through the assessments, where we bring real-world data, but it is also done through placements, field trips, and your own research, where you try and apply your knowledge and your skills. This is what we call pluralism, so this idea that there's no one single way of understanding the world. There's lots of different questions out there, and as a result, there are lots of different types of economists.
The most enjoyable part of economics at UWE is definitely kind of the wide range of things you can study. There's numerous types of topics that you can choose or modules that you can study on. Things like maths all the way through to behavioural economics. It really does cover all bases.
Since studying economics at UWE, I've found I can apply my general knowledge from the theories to the wider world, and this has helped me understand economics in everyday life.
If I was to describe UWE economics in one word, I'd probably say dynamic. It's constantly changing. You cover new and exciting theories as they come out.
Economics at UWE has really enhanced my presentation skills. They offer other forms of assessment rather than just writing, and I feel like this has enhanced my confidence in front of wider audiences.
I chose to do economics because I've got quite a lot of maths and psychology in my background, as well as a bit of geography from A-level. And this kind of pushed me towards wanting to work out why the world kind of behaves the way it is and how different countries interact.
In a typical year, 96% of our students are either in higher education or in professional employment within 15 months from graduation.
In terms of facilities, the Bloomberg Room is one of the most amazing spaces where you can test out your knowledge. So the Bloomberg Room allows you to tap into real-world data and to use tools and techniques to analyze them.
So you'll be highly analytical in your thinking. It won't be just purely descriptive, but essentially you'll be able to form a highly academic perspective, but calling on different schools of thought.
I would say that it's made me grow up quite a lot. It's gave me a proper grasp of what the real world is more like, especially in an economic setting. So I feel like it's really made me kind of become more of a whole person, more complete.